Understanding Shopping List, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful phrase in English, shopping list. Whether you're planning to shop for groceries, clothes, or any other items, understanding this term will make your shopping experience smoother and more organized. Let's dive into what a shopping list is, its importance, and how to create one. A shopping list is a written or digital record of items that you need to buy. It's a simple yet effective tool used by people to remember what they need to purchase during a shopping trip. The items on the list can vary greatly, from food and household goods to clothing and electronics. The key purpose of a shopping list is to ensure you don't forget anything important and to help you shop more efficiently. Creating a shopping list is more than just writing down items. It's a way to plan your shopping, manage your budget, and save time. By having a list, you can avoid impulse buys or purchasing unnecessary items. It's especially useful in grocery shopping, where it's easy to get distracted by promotions or new products. A shopping list keeps you focused and can help in making healthier food choices. 1. Start by planning. Think about your meals for the week or the items you need. This initial planning helps in making a comprehensive list. 2. Categorize items. Group similar items together, like dairy, vegetables, or cleaning supplies. This makes it easier to navigate through the store. 3. Be specific. Instead of just writing, fruit, list the specific fruits you need. This precision helps in making sure you get exactly what you need. 4. Check what you have. Before finalizing the list, check your home to avoid buying items you already have. 5. Use technology. Consider using smartphone apps designed for shopping lists. They can be very handy and often have features like sharing the list with family members. Update regularly. Keep your shopping list accessible and update it as soon as you think of something new. Prioritize. Mark the items that are most important or urgent. Reuse lists. For routine shopping, you can reuse or modify old lists to save time. Involve others. If you live with family or roommates, involve them in the list-making process. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you understand the concept and importance of a shopping list. Remember, a well-planned shopping list can be a great ally in managing your shopping needs efficiently and economically. Happy shopping and happy learning!